G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're looking at the Ringke Fusion case for the iPhone XS. So hit that like button and the subscribe button and let's get stuck into my video. Let's go. Alright everyone, here we are with the Ringke Fusion Clear case. Quick look. Now as always with Ringke you do have that minimalist packaging, environmentally friendly, which is always good. Well done to Ringke. And this is another military grade protection drop tested case. And it's military standard 810G 516.6. What does that mean? It means they've tested it and it's droppable. But I'm not going to go dropping a $1,600 phone just to prove them right or wrong. As usual, Ringke do put a thank you card in the case. Without your product review, we can't exist, so they're looking for feedback. That's always good to see. Now, these guys, with these, you've got to remember with the Ringke Fusions that there is a film on the inside of the case, and so they don't get all scratched and dirty before you put them on. So we're going to go ahead and remove that. Here's the first one. And the second one. And there is your Ringke Fusion case. Now, as with the other cases, this is polycarbonate on the back and polyurethane on the sides and the front. So that offers you that extra protection, nice and soft on the corners and on the sides for that drop protection, and nice and hard there on the outside. So we're just going to drop the iPhone XS into its spot, and there you can see. Now that's a really nice case, really simple, really nice design. You've still got full view of your phone, and look, you all know I'm an Android fan, but the iPhone XS is a really good looking phone, and here you get an unobstructed look at your phone while it's still got the protection on. And that, I can actually feel the soft edges on that when I squeeze it, so that's always good to know. You've got some nice soft protection there on the outside. The button is very tactile, volume up and down, power button, and it's easy to access that alert slider as well. Now I always do test the camera to make sure I don't get any bounce back from the flash, which you do get with cheap cases. So I always do like to test it. So we'll just do a quick photo with the flash on. And what you would see, if there was, you would see the colour of the case in the photo. And obviously you don't see that there, so that's great. We have the colour, the only one colour is the clear colour. The cutouts are all in the right spot. As I said, the alert slider, the lightning jack and your speakers down the bottom. Everything is where it is meant to be. Now, the only problem with this one I could see is already covered in fingerprints, so you're going to have to think about that. But it feels good. Maybe a little bit on the slippery side. There's nothing to sort of grip onto, so you are going to have to take special care when holding this and using it because it is rather smooth, which I always like a bit of a lip here and there just to keep it nice and secure in my hand. Now, there is a tiny lip on the top and bottom, so you're going to have to be a little bit careful, but not too careful. You won't get any scratches on the screen with that lip there. So it's a really minimalist case, this one. I do like it. It fits nicely in the hand. You can see your full device in all its glory. If you're people like the look of the iPhone, and you can see the whole thing with this case. So I do really like that Ringke Fusion Clear. Smooth, minimalist, but it's a good case. I recommend it, definitely. So thank you, Ringke, for sending that out for us to look at. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. There'll be more case reviews for the iPhone XS shortly. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next video. Check ya.